Ako si Tata Melado, ang Pangulo ng Asia Pacific College. Pinangungunahan ko ang mga educational innovation programs, scholarships, lalong-lalo na ang mga programang nakakaiba sa ibang mga kolehiyo dito sa Pilipinas. Napakahalaga nito. Simula pa noong 2016, meron ng 1,293 AFP scholars with at least 193 coming from the Philippine Air Force. Ang scholarship program na ito ay nag-umpisa with a connection between APC and the AFP community. Malaking bagay ang scholarship dahil nagbibigay ito ng mas maraming pagkakataon para sa quality education. Isa rito ang paraan upang masuportahan ang mga individual na at some point in their lives may not be able to afford quality education. 60% scholarship po ang binibigay namin sa uniformed personnel taking college programs at 100% killed in action. Kahit po yung mga military personnel who wants to go into a master's program, we have been giving 20% scholarship and 60% scholarship all undergraduate programs. And the reason why we are doing this is because we believe that your children deserve better. Mga lingkod bayan, mahalagang mabigyan din sila ng oportunidad para sa patuloy na pagkatuto at pag-unlad. Gayon rin kung ang kanilang pamilya naman ay papasok sa aming institusyon. Sa ganitong pamamaraan, mas mapapalawak din namin ang mga oportunidad sa not only work but also to support their families. It creates opportunities beyond financial assistance. It makes inclusive, quality, future-ready education more accessible to AFP and the PAF family. It really helps students become competitive and employable professionals. Importanteng maibigay natin ito sa uniformed personnel for the reason that you are the people who serve the country, and therefore your children can also serve the country in more ways than one with better education. Mahalaga ang ganitong klaseng partnership dahil ipinapakita nito sa buong sambayanan ang pagtutulungan ng edukasyon at saka ng mga uniformed personnel. Nakakatuwang sabihin at nakakabusog ng kalooban ang makita na itong mga naalagaan namin dito sa Asia Pacific College has a differentiated way of giving service. They are excellent in many ways that they are in their profession, and they are dedicated to nation building. Pasasalamat, matinding pasasalamat sa inyo because ang tagal na nating magkasama at pinapayagan nyo kami na magbigay ng konting benepisyo para sa mga pamilya ninyo. Wala akong laman sa loob ko kundi ang pasasalamat over the years. Through this scholarship, we are certain that unang-una, we are performing our duties as real educators because we also serve the country through you. To the men and women of the Philippine Air Force, happy 79th anniversary. Mabuhay kayong lahat.